In front of me is Doogee X100, and let me show you secret codes that you can use on this device. So first of all, you have to open your phone dealer, then go to keypad. And let's start with the first code, which is *##, 426, ###. And as you can see right here, you've got Google Play services where you can check ping, connect, disconnect, and also events smoothly. Tap on each option and then you'll be provided with details. Then let's go back. And another code that you can use here is *##, 225, #*#. And as you can see here, we've got the calendar info, calendar details. So all events, celebrations, important dates, whatever you have included in your Google Calendar will be displayed right here. So from now on, you will be able to check all upcoming events just with this code. So let's go back. Another code that you can use in your Doogee is *##, 4636, #*#. And here we've got testing many, performed also by Google, where you can check phone information, user statistics, and also Wi-Fi information. So under phone details, you've got IMEI number, phone number, current network, signal strength, and so on. Here, if you will click on Run Ping Test, you will be able to see the results and just locate the info that you would like to read and smoothly check it. Then we've got user statistics, where you can check detailed information regarding your apps, and then Wi-Fi details, where you can check Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration, and also Wi-Fi status. Under Wi-Fi APA, you will find the disabled network, disconnect network, enable network, configured networks, and the whole connection info. Then under Wi-Fi configuration, you've got currently configured networks. And then in Wi-Fi status, smoothly refresh it, you can check the status of your network. Also, this mode allows you to perform a ping test right here. And the last code that I would like to show you, it's a pretty short one, it is *##06#. And this one will provide you with IMEI details. So here you've got unique numbers assigned to your Doogee. And that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.